Preening, being all pretty. Hi there, baby. Are you getting all clean? Oh, the air filter's blowing on you. What do you think about that, huh? Wow. Did you get to hang out? Yes.
You guys are just little loves. You guys
Here
are
you
just so
come.
sweet. Here we go.
She's like, oh God, you're bringing him back.
Oh, is your
Okay.
boyfriend back?
She's, I don't like him. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, is it better? Wow! La da 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 da. She's so funny. Look at her. She's so full of herself. You're just a good girl. Yes, I love you. She's a good girl. Did you good boy? Yes, is you a good boy? Yay!
They look like little cartoon characters.
Yeah, they do.
Let me go over here to the Amazons. Well, hi there. Hi there, naked butt. What are you doing? This is one of the birdies that was already adopted out and has a new home and a new mommy and a daddy. Yes. Yes. Cool.
Yeah, I say I'm a good girl.
Hi, guys. You're being so pretty and so nice. Good boy, Tatum. Yes. La da 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 dum. They're taking a nap. They're just like, yeah, whatever.
That's the way they are
Yeah,
all the time.
they're
Just
good.
So chill. They are so laid back.
That's cool. Oreo. La 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 la. The Amazons look absolutely gorgeous. They're in absolutely beautiful shape. Their feathers, everything. Their ears are really clear. And actually, the mustaches look really good, except they're picked. You know, other than that, their weight looks
their
good.
vents are clean. Their nails
Yep.
are clean.
Weight looks good, so we'll
They're
get
eating good. They're drinking
we'll get their
good.
vet checks and we'll go from there.